G'day. Sorry about the late start here, guys. Oh, my goodness me. Been using this software for, I don't know, 2 years. And in the last couple of days, it's decided not to record or not to show on the screen my primary screen. It just doesn't work. It just doesn't work at all. Anyway, I am here. Happy Saturday to you and happy Friday to everybody else all around the world. And happy Black Friday. Of course, it is our Black Friday sale. You can become a master course at 45% off today. And if you're a member, you can get access to live trading floor on the annual subscription or community at 45% off as well. So today is the day. And I'll tell you what I'll be doing as soon as I get off of this. I will be doing my Black Friday buying as well because I didn't do it yesterday. I totally forgot. Wasn't feeling very good. Today, I'm getting some shopping done. Because I hate going to the shops. I don't know why. I'm a DJ now. Anyway, let's talk about what's going on. Big fall. Big fall. Why? And look, first things first. I said yesterday, very openly, I was saying, I was very confident. Markets were looking good. We had higher lows. Check it out. Look what we had on Ethereum. Beautiful. I'm looking to focus on the daily here. Had a beautiful high, low, high, high. It was great. We had the same on DOT, was it? No, it was Binance. And a few others that were looking really good. Of course, AVAX still in that kettle of, well, that box of good trends. So what happened? Well, this is what we call a Black Swan event. All right. Something we can't really plan for. A new variant. Oh, just in time for Christmas. Yay. New variant out of scary sounding name places out of Africa. Botswana sounds mysterious and dangerous, and tigers and lions and death and doom. So it's very scary, of course. Now, I'm not taking anything away from what it is or what it isn't. I'm just saying this is a Black Swan event. And when fear comes into markets and when uncertainty comes into markets, we see markets do this. This is the behavior. Any uncertainty at all makes markets go boom. They tend to fall hard. So it's no different. And I got it really wrong yesterday. Really wrong. But again, that's trading. That's life. Higher low, higher high. What am I meant to do? Am I meant to know that there is a whatever, I don't even know what it's called, the Botswana variant. No, of course not. This is where we manage our risk. Right as the trend started, it then went ba-boo. But let's get some perspective in place. A couple of things. I'd been talking about 54,000 for a long time. And whilst it didn't look like it was going to get there until probably 9 hours ago, it did. And we got a low down here at 53,005. Tell me, has the significant sell-off on Bitcoin overnight caused anything on the weekly chart to change? No. On Bitcoin? No. Still looks fantastic. What about on Ethereum? No. Not at all. XRP, well, it's messy anyway. DOT, has it changed? No. Doge was messy. Binance, has it changed? No. Has Cardano changed? Oh, it's still going the same direction it was yesterday. Solana, has it changed? No. AVAX, has it changed? No. So, what is my message for you today? Perspective and understanding of what happened. What happened was a singular event. A singular event. Now, does this virus, this new variant, and this selling off more specifically? And the only reason I'm talking about this new variant is because markets around the world were affected. Look, you got the S&P 500 down 1.5%. Let's have a look if it's down further in post-market futures trading. Or it might be, oh no, we're probably just closed. Let's have a look. There you go. Down more. It sold off 2.2. Oh, well, let's get our numbers from here. The Dow Jones was down 2.53. Now, is that, because that's a gap down. Let me just check. Yeah, that's from here to here. Okay. 2.53. S&P 2.27. Gold futures have already come off. When we come across here and look at silver, it's off. The YM is the mini futures contract on the Dow, so same. 10-year notes up, no surprises. S&P, that's not really required, and the NQ is also down. So our global market indicators are all down. They're all down. Down. So, what does it mean? Well, the whole world has been affected by the news of this new variant, and it has caused some, I wouldn't even call it panic selling at this stage, it just caused some selling. Because that's just another day in the life of a crypto trader or a crypto investor. It's just what happens. It's just what happens. Does those three strategies work as well on Forex? Mustafa, I don't have an AFSL, but understand that I came from trading before I got into crypto, I'd been trading for 12 or 13 years in FX, bonds, stocks, commodities. I applied them to crypto. There you go. Okay. Can I interest you in an alpha for alpha closed wallet deal? If you are okay, sure. I don't know what any of that means, but sure. My point being here, just getting contact. Point being here is this. One singular event, one Black Swan event, were we able to see this coming ahead of time? No, not at all. Does it affect our weekly charts, our major trend? No, not at all. Has it affected the entire world? Well, has it affected the entire world's markets at this stage? What do we know about this new variant, which is causing this influx of uncertainty? Not a great deal. So, with all of those things weighed up, for me as it stands right now, is this cause for me to reshuffle my portfolio? Is it cause for me to sell anything or buy anything or possibly buy something? Again, let me just come back and remind you of that trend there. It's still looking pretty bloody marvelous. And if I recall correctly, yeah, look, right in there on that 50. Now, what week? We got the 22nd of November. I got a sneaking suspicion we sold off on Black Friday last year as well. 26th. Pardon me. There it is. Down 8.38%. 8.83%. Pixel, Facebook Messenger. This time, last year, we had the single biggest sell-off event before our market went absolutely nuts. Let's get some perspective on the low of that day to the high that followed. 159%. Well, let me bring it to the end of the year because that's what we're facing here. Let's just look at it for the year. Here. So we're looking at here. We're looking at that candle there. 80% after that Black Friday fall. See what I mean? Perspective is crucial. If you listen to the news and you watch the fear and you read your articles on, different crypto sites or news sites, whatever. I mean, the whole world's gone, bah! And sort of had a little into their pants. Get some perspective. You don't need to buy into that fear. You don't need to say, oh, everyone says the sky is falling, so the sky is falling. The market fell. That's all it did. One down day. Now, I'm not suggesting that it's going to move higher. I'm not suggesting that it's going to move lower. In fact, my message to you is I don't know. But what I do know is that this guy here is not making any decisions at this moment based on what's going on right now. Why? I don't know anything about it. All I do know is that perspective is very, very key, right? Yes, thank you. All right, that's a good point. Please like, share, subscribe, turn on your notifications. Thank you. And yeah, guys, I really wanted to get this out because it's important. Usually on these big days, I'll try and jump in and say something because I know that these are the periods where people can lose their mind. And if they're not, I've been in markets for 17 years. I went through the GFC. I've been through a lot of different things. Obviously, I've been through the different waves of COVID. I've been through massive events. I know what it feels like to not really know. And I've got comfortable with the fact that I don't really know. And that's where we need to get to. At the moment, we've got a pullback. The market sold off. Now, anything above 50, in my view, is still very, very good. Why? Because we're not too far out of the zone at 50, or, 50's down here. It's still around that 60%, 61.8% fib. The sky is not falling as far as the market's trend on the bigger picture. Am I selling anything today? No. As a matter of fact, I'm doing the opposite. I'm in here today because I'm looking to invest in some other projects. Am I going to be trading today? Highly unlikely. Why? Two things. I want to get out of here. So I want to tick all the boxes that I've got to get ticked and probably go and buy some fishing tackle because it might not rain tomorrow, so I might get out the boat. And I just want to get out of here. I've been here all week. This is like my office. So guys, don't panic, don't freak out, and have yourself a good weekend. Don't let this affect you. Just water off a duck's back, man. Just water off a duck's back. I love a counter solo after a good training session or something like that, Garland. Yeah, for sure, mate. I don't know anything else, any other solo, so I'm not quite sure. And guys, don't forget as well, look, whether you're already a member in our community or live trading floor, if you are, you've still got, like today, Black Friday still keeps going, of course, with the US and the UK and whatnot still being on that time zone. The Black Friday sale is still on, so you can get 45% off your annual membership, which is a big saving. The same can be said for our Become a Master course. It's helped a lot of people to trade and do it well. It's available at 45% off. The links just there are in your thingy, the chat thing. So go ahead, get involved. And if you've got any mates that would like to do it, then now's a good time to do it. Guys, have the community, I think it's $5.99 or something like that, half price. Or it's 45% off bin chicken. I hope you got one of the bin chicken NFTs. Maybe that's what's on your profile. Anyway, if you have any questions, if you don't know where to find something, just jump onto our website. There is a chat function that is right there, bottom right-hand corner of the screen. And you will see that you can ask any questions that you may have. Have yourself a great weekend. Don't let this worry you. It's not worrying me. Take care. Bye for now.